Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make this smart dustbin by using the Arduino, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor. So let's begin. First, we will need the following equipment. On the left side, this is electronic equipment, and this is the dustbin. We need to cut two holes for the sensor, and here you can cut these holes and insert this sensor. And now this is the cardboard, and you can place the smart dustbin over it, and you can make a line and cut this cardboard by using this scissor. So let's cut it. Here we have the cardboard, and now we are going to just make a line at the center, and we are going to cut this by using the scissor. And this is the part. And now we need a tape, but make sure to insert some gap between these two. This is the gap and this is the tape over it. So it moves like this. Now we need a glue gun, and we use this glue gun on the half part only, not on the full part but the half part, so this can actually move like this. Now this is the servo motor. Insert it over it like this, and find where it's stopping. So here it's stopping. Let me show you again. Here it's stopping, and we should place it here so it can actually work. So this is the glue gun, and now let's glue it on top of here. And this part is actually fixed, so I'm just mounting the servo motor on the fixed part of the cardboard only, not the moving part. And now let's make the circuit, and you can find the circuit diagram in the description. So I'm just making the circuit. You can actually find the code and circuit diagram in the description. So this is the code, and here you need to select the Arduino Uno. Click here, and here you need to type Uno. So connect Uno and select the port where it's connected and click OK, and then you can upload it from here. So now the code is uploaded, and let's see. Yes, it's working, and you should adjust the servo motor like this. And now let's make a hole here. So you can use any washer or any other piece. I'm using this piece, and you can make a hole here. Insert the thread from this hole, and you can mount it on this servo motor like this. Now let's connect it again, and it's working. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.